Hi, I am Sonia from Presidency School, Nandini Layout, Bangalore. Today I am going to show you how I did my Google Photos. The first thing is save 4 images of latest invention on your PC. So before that, I should go to Google Photos. So come, let's have a look on how I did mine. So I just go to my account, I open Google Photos, and from there I can just, this is my Google Photo thumbnail view of the view of my Google Photos, and I've saved 4 images of the latest invention on your PC. So what I have to do is, the first thing is save 4 images of the latest invention on your PC. So what I have to do, I'll have to just go and then upload these 4 photos in Google Photos. So first I'll have to say search for 4 images of the latest invention and then upload it to the Google Photos. So I just go to Google and then give latest inventions. I get go to the images and I just save 4 images there in my okay, I've already saved it. So all the 4 images I'll be giving it as image 1, image 2, image 3 and image 4. So I'm taking all 4 images. So after I take all the 4 images, so second image, mention 2, and I take the third image, invention 3, and I save it. I save all the 4 images. I take the fourth image and save it as invention 4. So I have saved all the 4 images into my PC. That 4 images. Now what I have to do is, I'll have to upload all the 4 images into my Google Photos. So what I have to do is upload the 4 photos in Google Photos. I go to my desktop, and then from there, whichever pictures I have downloaded, I'll have to select all the 4 pictures together. Just you open, and you can see 4 by 4 uploading. So all the 4 pictures will be uploaded. So it will also give a confirmation 4 items uploaded, and you can see all the 4 images there in my on my album. 1 2 3 4 images. So so this is my album. You can see all the 4 pictures which are uploaded. Coming to the next one is create an album by the name inventions. So now I'll have to create an album by the name of invention. So I go to Google and I just click on the untitled and give it as inventions. So the inventions is also done. The album is named as invention. So if you go back, you can just see the album name as invention. Next one is add these 4 photos in this album. That is also done. Edit one of the photos and change the filter to auto. So I just go to the photo, select any one photo there, and I go to the album. First I select the picture, and then I just click on the picture, and after I click on the picture, okay, just click on this edit options. You can see auto, original and all that. After clicking on the auto, I click on done. So that is also done. The next one is undo the undo the edit. So again I select the picture, go to the edit, and then I can give undo. So that's how I'd given the undoing the picture. The next one is increase the brightness of the photo. So I go to the photo. Now I'll have to go to the photo and again click on the edit, and then you can just see the light color. I can increase it, so the brightness of the picture is also increased. So that's how I can increase the brightness of the picture. So you can see the picture is the brightness of the picture is increased, or you can also decrease the brightness of the picture. The next one, so done. After that, you have to give done. After this is rotate the photo to 15 degrees. So how do I do with the 15-degree rotation is, again I go to Google Photos, I go to edit, and I have the option called as rotate. So just go to, it's already 0. I just give 15 degree. So my photo is rotated to 15 degree. So this is how I rotate my photo. Then you can give done. So now my photo is rotated to 15 degree. Okay, the next one is create a collage of these four photographs. So now I'll have to create a collage of these photographs. So I just go back and then click on create collage. So with that four photographs I can create a collage. So I'm selecting 1, 2, 3, 4 photographs and then I give create. A collage is created by yeah, the four photographs. That's a collage created. The next one is delete two photos and restore them. I'm going to show you how to delete the photographs and restore them. I go back to my album. I'm just selecting two photographs, photo 1 and photo 2, and I click on the delete button. Then I click on move to bin. The photographs are deleted. Now again, to bring it back, I just go to main, click on the bin. You can see two pictures. Just select the two pictures and then click on restore button. So the two pictures again will be restored in my album. See, the two pictures are restored in my album. So this is how I delete and restore. Create an animation with these four photographs. So I'll have to create an animation with these four photographs. Again, go to Google Photos, create, click on animation. So with these four photographs I can create an animation. So just click on create, animation will be created. You can see the animation, the transitions will happen there. 2, 3, 4. This is how the animation happens. The next one is again going back to the album. So now you can see the animated file with stars. Next is create another album by the name new album. Now I'll have to create one more album by the name new album. So what I'm going to do is I just go to Google Photos and then give create, give album. Now I'll have to give, so I put all this create and I give a name it as new album. Instead of untitled, just name it as new album. Okay, new album. The next one what I'm going to show you is, so go back and you can see a new album is also created there. Next one is move two photos from invention folder to new folder. So I'm going to show how to move it. So select, go to the album, you can see invention folder and the new folder. So I go to the invention folder, just click on this two pictures, just click on remove from album. Oh, sorry. Click on add, go to the album and then give new album. So this files whichever is selected here will be added to the new album. You can see that. So two files, I click on add, I go to album, add to new album. The two files bike and the hand will be added to the new album if you see. So I just go back and if you see there in the new album you can find that bike and the hand album there. So just click on that, you can find a bike and the hand which is already added. Next one is search for a particular photo in Google Photos. So I'll have to search for a particular photo in Google Photos. For doing that, I'll have to go here, go back, and then go to search. Go to search photos. So just go here to the album and then type the name of the. So I'm just giving collages. So all the collages, whatever I have, will be seen on the Google albums. So this is how I search. And the next one is create a slideshow of an album. So I'm going to show you how to create a slideshow of an album. So I just go back, click on create, select the files and then click on slideshow. So there will be a slideshow created on my Google Photos, whatever I had given. So if I click, the slideshow will start playing. So this is how I create a slideshow. Okay, the next one is you can go back. The next one is download all photos from your album. So I will have to download all the photos from my album. So in order to do that, I'm just selecting all the photographs and I click on from my album and I click on download, or I can also use Shift D to download the photographs. So you can see it was downloaded to my system. The next one is set one photograph as an album cover. So now I'll have to set a photograph as an album cover. In order to do that, I just go back or select the photograph and click on this plus, select the fish plus set album cover, and that particular photo will be set as album cover. So that's how I set my album cover. You can also see once again, once you create, you can just click on done. You can see that that will be the album cover. So for inventions, you can see that that has become the album cover. See, so now done. So once you give done, the album cover is changed. You get a message also. So the album cover invention, the first one will be the album cover. um, So the album cover, you can see the invention, that's the cover photograph, whichever you get it. Share the album with one of your friends or relative. So I would have shared the album. So just click on that and then click on the share button. So you can just type the name of uh, to whom you wanted to share. So just click on the share option after that, and then you can share to any one of the friends from that Google app. So that's all I've done with this. So the final one is, so I'm just giving share and I just click on the share button. So you can just see sending and the photos are sent. Then, so that's all I think I've done with my Google photo certification. So coming back, I've done with the inventions and all these things. So according to this, with this I have done with my Google Photos. Thank you, Juniors.